day number 2. Destination is Reversing Falls, I believe. But overall, it's gonna be in New Brunswick, and we still have less than 5 hours to go. This is 2 out of a million stops. Where are we? We're currently at a random gas station. Stop yet again for the washrooms and to get some snackies. As you can see, I got some Kit Kats, and these kids got some sort of gummy you dip in some sort of liquid. Looks kind of disgusting, but you know what? It's kids, right?
You want it?
ASMR.
Okay, grab one. On top.
Alright. We'll see you again at the next stop. Bye! Say hi! Di ba nandiyan? Say hi! Sayang, say hi!
Oo nga eh. Ang dami ng damit mo.
Alay mo nga, di tayo swiftin. I love it.
Ito, ano mo ginagawa nito? Oh, ang ganda! Alam mo kang bata ka talaga. Meron pa dito, sa baba mo. Oh. Baba. Oh, very good. Manang-mana ka sa ate mo. Ha? Ida soda pop. Tananananan. New Brunswick! Kaway-kaway na lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ewan ko. Thanksgiving! 1, 2, 3. Happy Thanksgiving! Vlog. Okay? Wait, bro. Naka-remember na yan. Every day! Wait. Hi again! Hello, we're here at New Brunswick. Wait. Stop number 3? Number 2. Stop number 3.
Nag-3 na tayo!
2 pa lang.
3!
Pero nasa New Brunswick tayo, galing tayo ng...
Yung una natin yung Tim Hortons na nagkape kayo.
Ay, stop
Yung pangalawa.
over!
Stop
Okay.
Anyways, stop number 3 sa Ghost Store.
Yeah.
And we're officially
Complete.
officially complete. Andito na yung isa pang pamilya. We're officially in New Brunswick. Kind of. Not really. But, yeah. Pero,
Again, we are vlogging from the gas station always.
Yeah. Kasi doon lang nagkikita-kita. So, where's the Sardinia? Ayan, kompleto na kami.
in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Again. Again.
Okay, 2 more hours.
2 more. I
2
think.
more hours. 2 more hours.
And then after na, an hour pa ulit. PEI na yun eh.
Pang-PA na yun, bukas pa yun.
Hindi, yung sa isa pa. Sa Saint
St. John, hindi malapit
Hindi, Saint John and then meron pang isa, Saint Martin. An hour away yun from Saint John. Oh, sabihin ko dito.
Ewan ko, bahala na kung ano mangyayari sa amin.
Hindi.
John, and then St. Martin.
Itong road trip na to, literal na nasa car ka lang talaga.
Literal. Natang oras sa may kotse, people.
Yeah, ito si Batang Candy. Ha?
Candy ng candy.
Candy ng candy. Okay. Hi, Ate Jasmine! Sardania Sea! Hello!
Sa kabila.
Ate Black!
Baka lilinisin.
Darna, are you thinking?
Marami pa kayong dalang kanin natin.
Asan yung isa pang kanin, Marcia? Ito, Seth. Ano ko ba?
Wala nang laman yung cooler ko eh.
Pag na ako nakakimi, sunod ako.
Asan ba yung sombrero ka? Sombrero ka.
Wala na yung gilili, pagkala yung itlog.
Mayroon.
Pag naman nakaitlog ko siya, itlog ko maalat din.
Itlog na naga at saka itlog
Ano
na
ba?
pula.
Eh, direk, talagang dilat ang mata mo dyan. Sa dami niyan.
Ayaw kang patulogin ka, Derek, ha? Parang binigyan ng maraming gabi para may kakwentuhan ka.
Kakwentuhan ni nanay para daw mahaba-haba yung kwentuhan nila ni nanay.
Chicken wing.
Wey! Kakain na kami. Seaweed.
Hindi na kinaya kagabi. Talagang
So we're here at Reverse Falls.
Yes.
Kung nakikita nyo, hindi ko rin masyadong makita.
Dito.
Yung isa, two-way yung waves. Yung isa papunta doon, yung isa pabalik. Hindi naman kita eh. Kita sa video ko. Pero yan yun. Reverse Falls. Yan. Ayun.
Hindi na, ano, yung river lang, yung parang
Kumbaga, two-way siya, two-way. Yung isa papunta, yung isa pabalik. Yung tubig. Dun din. Ayan o. Yung isa, bali yung isa papuntang ganon. Tapos yung kabilang side pabalik na ganon. O kaya reverse. Two-way. Two-way falls.
Bro, my best
Huh?
My best.
Where? Where your best? Here. Hi. Hey. Say hi. Hi to my vlog. Hello vlog. Bakit tumataw ka?
Ay, yun ay cave in. Hindi ba low tide?
Hindi, high tide na.
Tingnan na lang tayo.
Hindi na, mag-relax na tayo ng
Ay, sayang. Grabe, laks ang alon.
Sa lamig, hindi sa...
Takot ka sa lamig. Sorry, Milo.
Hindi ko ate siya, ba? Sa'yo na, ano na? Hindi ka na bumaba dyan. Ate.
Sorry. Pero naman, konti lang. Sige na.
Lobster. Ow, 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 ouch.
Kasi ako gusto ko.
Alin?
Ito ordering ko. Gusto ko lang naman ito eh.
Ako gusto ko lang.
Sila umorder sila ng ganito, yung lobster roll, para matikman nyo din. Tsaka si Papa mo gusto lang din tikman yan.
Hi guys!
Candid Zane.
Hi guys! We're at stop number
Candid Zane.
5. Ikaw na lang dito! Tumigil kami to order some lobsters, some seafood stuff here.
Baka mali yung kahoy eh.
I don't know what this place is called though. Ano pa lugar na to?
Ewan ko, lobster roll.
Lobster roll lang. Teka. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano. We're currently at St. Martin, by the way. I think same.
That one.
It's just called lobster rolls. Yung tatlong photographer. 1, 2, and number 3. Ayan. Ayan, nag-photoshoot na dito. DIY photoshoot dahil sa napakatagal naming nag-aantay for the food. But anyways, ito ang BTS. Ito ang BTS. Ito ang BTS namin. Nakikita niyo yung sapatos niya? Yung Adidas na yan. Alam niyo kung nasa Paris yan? Ayan, no? Ayun yung Paris yan, eh. Oh. Ay, nakikita yan? Ayan, nakikita yan? Oh, diba? Oh, ganyan dapat. Diba? Ganun dapat.
Ano pa na?
Yung sapatos po dito. Oh, BTS. Pakadami photographer. Siya naman daw.
Jimmy, sinasabi ko sa'yo, photography ka na rin.
Next!
Next.
Video photographer right there. Subject. Background. BTS person. Napakatagal na po namin nag-aantay na for our food. Hindi ko alam if meron pa kayong maabutan na bibila ng lobster. Meron pa kaya? Anong oras na rin? Naubusan ng oras sa amin diters. But it's okay, you know what? We chill and we vibing, you know? That's just how life is. You gotta roll with it, man. We'll be back kapag pinakita ko na yung food. Now looky here, oh, what do we have? Another pretty thing looking for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf and she's cloning. But by the end of the night, is it her I'll be holding? Ano daw? What time? I don't know what time it is. Ayun yung dalawa kong co-host. The other end of the street. Just trying to entertain myself because it's taking so long. And the sun is, as you can see, is about to disappear in a couple minutes. And we're still here waiting for food. Pagkain natin, bros, wala pa. Like the fit? You guys like the fit? Ooh, ooh, ooh. We rocking the Toronto boy aesthetic, you know, the streetwear aesthetic. Yes. Someone's calling for me. Someone's yes. Nahiram ng sapatos. Grabe siya. Oh my goodness.
For the picture lang.
Kaya pala ako tinawag. Tayo dito kay bro habang nagpipicture siya. As you can see. With my feetsies. Nakikita natin photographer and subject in motion. Nag-enjoy.
Yan.
Sino pinsan ko?
Ako.
Si Ate Marcia? Si Derek?
What's this?
You know how much is this? It's $30 for this. Kaya kailangan pati mugmug kayo.